Welcome back to English Step by Step. Another day, another episode. And just like before, if you go to the description, you will find a link to herohero.co/English Club, where you can get a PDF with exercises for this episode. Plus, much more. But now our story continues with an episode called A Sweet Mishap. Ready? Let's begin.
Marie is in her living room. Loretta, her friend, is doing her hair.
You like John, don't you?
What? No, it's not like that.
Oh, come on. It's obvious. You should do something nice for him.
Maybe I can bake a cake.
Perfect. That's a good idea. An apology cake for the mess Max made.
Marie is in her kitchen. She bakes a cake. She feels nervous but hopeful. She adds nuts to the cake. Marie is standing at John's door. She is holding the cake.
What's this?
I baked you a cake. I'm sorry about Max.
Thank you, Marie. That's very kind. Come in.
They eat the cake in John's living room.
This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Suddenly, John starts coughing and itching.
I think I'm allergic to something in the cake.
Oh, no. Do you have allergies?
Yes, nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. Are there any nuts in the cake?
Marie drives John to the hospital. She drives fast. They arrive at the hospital. Marie helps John inside.
Thank you, Marie.
I hope you get better soon.
What will happen to John? How will Marie handle this new turn of events? Stay tuned. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next episode.